I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 92 of Building the Batmobile. We're continuing with our building of the bodywork this time. Flop goes the Joker, episode 92. Obviously, this is from March the 23rd, 1967. Back with the Joker. It's the one where Alfred artfully foils the Joker. I don't know, paints elephants. Not entirely certain how, but there you go. So Robin, year one, in the great Batman comics from 2000. And then Batman in 2012, a bit darker than the Robin stuff. Back to the grey and black. Yeah. Is that a page? That is a page. Yeah, there you go. Dodgy jokery stuff in there as well. So yes, this is what we've got now. The rear frame. Because yeah, the car is obviously not very tall. The cockpit canopy bit is the only bit that sort of sticks up. The rest of it is just pretty flat. So we've already got the front, the bonnet, and then we've got the framework here. This is the back bit that attaches to the rear frame that we've already got. And then we've basically just got to fit the trunk bit to it and then fit that over the chassis. The whole front end is going to come at some point in the near future, I'm sure. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look and get it fitted. So this is what we've got. The nice, obviously traditional black and red finishing pieces. And this is fitted with a dozen, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each side. And it's fitting onto our framework that we've already got, that we've been doing things with before. There. And it fits onto there. These back fin pieces go up to the top of this. So it's going to line it in there pretty much like that. So it finishes with the edges like that. So if I can turn this over and not hide the screws that I'm going to need, we should be able to line up all of these pieces with each other and get that tightened up with all of these screws. Well, not all of these screws, because, you know, they obviously always give us spares. But we know that there's going to be around a dozen of them. So let me get one on each side, just to make sure I'm getting everything lined up properly. There we go. So yeah, that's attached in there. That's attached in there. So that's one. So I need 10 more screws. There's 3, 4. Just put them all out in the one pile. Then I can't count them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. So a few spares, because there's obviously quite a lot in there. So we've got 5 up each side and 2 in the back piece there. I'm going to get the back ones in now. I can see. Yeah, it's going in there. Yep, that's that. As ever, I'm going to get all of these in loose and then tighten them all up in turn. Especially doing this, it's a good idea to make sure everything's tight afterwards, obviously, but before, you need to make sure everything lines up so you're not distorting anything. If one of them's not in the right location and you tighten up everything else, then you run the risk of damaging and folding parts, which is not going to be good. It's there. Is there one more at the front? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's one more. It's right at the very front here. Right where you can't see it off the edge of the camera. You can probably see this one over there. It's over there. There's an equivalent one over this side as well. There we go. So, once all of these are in, secure and tightened, yeah, see, that one's not quite lined up. don't know how one can be not quite lined up when the rest are, but there you go. Got to get that screw at a slight angle to get that one. Might be a little bit distorted, but I'm sure it's going to be okay. Yeah. So once all this is done, this is going to be another issue completed. And indeed, this is the last one in this pack. So once I've put this last screw in, I shall call it a night with this one. You don't need to see me tighten up all the screws, but rest assured that I will. Yeah, they're all lining up now, so that's okay. So yes, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build as much as I'm enjoying making it. So yeah, that's all coming together nicely. I shall put this aside until the next time when we return to do more to it, I'm sure. But thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.